Introduction: Mastering Technical Problem Solving.
Solving technical problems is a vital skill in any tech career. Whether you're coding, troubleshooting systems, or analyzing data, a clear approach can make all the difference. In this guide, you'll discover a simple, step-by-step framework to tackle technical challenges confidently and systematically.
Step 1. Define and understand the problem.
Begin by clearly identifying the problem. Gather all relevant details and make sure you understand what's going wrong. Ask clarifying questions, review documentation, and restate the issue in your own words. This foundation is essential, as misunderstandings here can lead down the wrong path later in the process.
Step 2. Break down the problem.
Divide the problem into smaller parts. Complex technical issues often contain several components. By breaking things down, you can tackle each part separately, which makes the overall problem less intimidating and easier to manage. Prioritize which parts to address first based on impact and feasibility.
Step 3. Develop and test solutions.
Brainstorm possible solutions for each part, focusing on both quick fixes and long-term approaches. Experiment where possible. Safely testing your ideas allows you to see what works before committing to permanent changes. Remember to document your steps so you can trace your progress or undo changes if needed.
Step 4. Evaluate and implement the best solution.
After testing, assess the results to determine which solution best addresses the problem. Consider factors like effectiveness, efficiency, and potential side effects. Once satisfied, implement the chosen solution fully, still keeping an eye out for unforeseen issues. Always verify that the problem has truly been resolved.
Step 5. Reflect and document for future success.
Finally, reflect on what you learned and document your process. Record the problem, your approach, and the outcome. This not only helps you and your team learn from experience, but also builds a valuable knowledge base to speed up future problem-solving efforts in your tech career.